Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to do a direct drawing for what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, what sound? Ooh, how do I write ooh? L. Alright, so we're going to do a lion today. Now, this lion looks a little tricky, so I'm going to need your help. Because you know I'm not the best artist, but I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the middle of my paper with his head. So I'm going to do a circle. And then I'm going to go ahead around it and do his mane or his hair around it. It's also almost going to look like a flower. So some curved lines. So go ahead and do that. Do his circle for his head. And go ahead and do the curved lines around his circle for his mane. Alright, next I'm going to do his body. I'm going to come down, go across, and come back, almost like a triangle, except I made that a little bit too big. So come down, go across, come back up. The Snorod's having trouble on the computer today. There we go, that's a little bit better. Alright, I'm going to go back up to his face now. I'm going to give him two little ears. Try that one again. There we go. Two little ears. I'm going to give him two dots for his eyes. I'm going to give him a small triangle nose. And I'm going to give him a smile like a cat. And then I need to give him some whiskers. Right? There we go. Got his whiskers. They're a little bit too long. There we go. Here we go. Alright, I've got his whiskers. Got his face. Alright. Whew, the next part is tricky. Let's start with his outer legs because we know how to do these because we've done it like a cat. So I'm going to curve up, come down, go across, flat. Ooh, that's a little big. Let's try again. Go up, come down. There we go. Let's do it on the next side. Curve up, come. Oop, I didn't do that one right either. Curve up, come down. Curve up, come down. There we go. That's better. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give him some lines for his paws. Okay. Now, his front legs are a little bit tricky. I'm going to go inside his body, and I'm going to make a big line down, almost to the end of his body, but don't go all the way down. And at the end, I'm going to give him a curve, and I'm going to go straight back up, almost to the top. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. A line down, but stop before you get all the way to the bottom, and give him a curve. And then do his paws. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, he's sitting. Okay, sitting. Alright, now I need to come back and give him his tail. So I'm going to come up, and then come up, and then kind of put a bushy little kind of what looks like a cloud or his mane on the end. That's a little bit too big. Let's try again. There we go. That's better. Alright, so now, let's see. We have everything, so let's write the word lion. Lion.